Alright, heads up. In this video, I'll be showing you how to repair minor damage on suede and Nubuck on these pair of Aqua 8s. We'll be using the Nubuck Renewal Powder and Sealer, but in this version, we'll be using a syringe to apply the Nubuck Sealer to the damaged areas. So you see there, I just applied the sealer with the syringe, and then we'll apply the powder to the top, and I'll just mat it down with my thumb so that the powder lays smooth and there's no clumps. Then afterwards, we'll just go back with the syringe again, and you'll apply a nice light coat of the sealer on top of the powder in the affected areas, and you'll just let it sit and dry like that. It will dry clear, as you'll see later down in the video. But after here, I just went and I got a card and I matted the powder and sealer down flat to shape to the shoe, to the toe box. So as you'll see in the next section, you'll see what the powder looks like dry. This is probably about maybe like an hour or two later into the restoration. You'll get like a close-up of the toe cap here. I was actually doing a re-glue on these pair of Aqua 8s, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of pushing, pulling, and tugging here. But you'll see that the powder and sealer, it holds up very well. So everything worked out and it came out beautifully. I got more videos on this on YouTube if you want to go see how to apply it with an airbrush as well. My name is Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Footprints, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off, and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a month online selling old shoes today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. Imagine getting off of work one day and you see a pair of sneakers outside. And then you go on Google and you search these sneakers online just to find out that the pair you just found was worth $1,800. Tell me, what would you do next? Would you try to fix them up, repair them? I didn't even know sneakers could be worth that much. I'm just riding the bus thinking, wow, you know, and I'm working from all kind of hours in the morning, all through the night, you know, and I had a decent job too, like I was a truck driver. But somehow at the end of the day, I would always come up short. So then one day I figured, I said, hey, let me try this sneaker thing. So I really got serious and I started repairing all kind of sneakers, like whatever I could find, all kind of shoes. It didn't matter. And then one month, I made $1,125 online. And I even wrote a book about it. So get your copy of How I Made $1,125 in a month online, selling old kicks today. The link to the ebook will be in the description or in the comments. Again, thank you.